from full reproduction will have to carry a large load for about a year, but it appears to be free. All tied up in fisheries, springs, and just recycling energy. It seems to occur within those springs, trillions in electrons.
Oh, here we go. Kangaroo gangbang. Bicka bicka bow, bicka 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 bow, bicka. Oh no.
Down below now.
Come back, I promise. I'm coming back. Come back. Oh, he's my best friend.
Go, go.
Start out with those, let us rock on that thing.
Go. Go, go. Daisy, that's a B.
What?
As I stand videotaping.
Toilet paper tastes good.
kangaroo version of the Midnight Crazies. I don't want to stay too close to his favorite humping branch though.
Amazing.
The emo's just like along for the ride.
What? What the fuck's going on?
Oh god. Ooh, boxing and kissing. Oh god, they're gonna fight. This is amazing. I have this all on video. Okay, I'm putting money on the kangaroo. See, I was right. The emu just ran away. Oh my god, 2 against 1. Andrew, you're in the way of the fight.
This is so awesome. The other kangaroos are just like, what? What the fuck's going on?
The 2 of them are ganging up on him. Look at that. Oh, he's so pissed.
I want that. I don't care that you want it. It's mine.
Why do I feel like this is some kind of like unnecessary drama-induced drunk bar fight that's happening right here?
Punch that bird.
Punch him, Kanga, you can do it.